All right, tomorrow I'm off to go hiking. So I've made myself a wasabi, roast beef, and Gruyere baguette. Inside here, lots of roast beef, wasabi mixed with sour cream, Gruyere cheese, and red bell peppers. A very simple sandwich with fantastic flavor. Mm. That's going to give me energy for the hike tomorrow. All right, let's go in the kitchen and make some of this right now. For our sandwich, well, these are our ingredients. Across the front, I've got a quarter teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper. I've got 1 tablespoon of grated wasabi. Now, I just get this in a tube. You can buy it here in any grocery store. It's called raw wasabi or real wasabi. It's the real stuff. Don't get the fake stuff. Make sure you get the real wasabi. 1 tablespoon of that. If you don't like it too strong, you might want to cut it down just a little bit. And if you want it really strong, add a bit. Maybe go by taste. Over here, I've got a half a cup of sour cream. Then here, I have 4 ounces or 110 grams of Gruyere cheese. I want that little bit of a strong flavor in there. And I really thinly sliced it. So thinly sliced Gruyere cheese. Here I've got 10 ounces or 280 grams of roast beef. Beautiful stuff. And here I've got 1 red bell pepper and thinly sliced into strips. And then across the back, 1 baguette sliced in half horizontal. All right, first thing we're going to do, well, let's just put the baguette off to one side. First, grab a smaller, still need a big bowl, small bowl, a little bit bigger than what we've got here. And I'm just going to put the cream cheese, sour cream into this bowl. All right, we've got all the sour cream in there. Then, just kind of make a bit of a well in the middle, and I'm going to put in that wasabi. Wasabi, anybody who's never had wasabi, it's basically Japanese or Oriental, I guess, horseradish, green horseradish. We use it a lot, but if you can't get it, you could replace it with horseradish, but actually I believe you can get this in most areas now. Wasabi is quite popular. People eat sushi. All right, so we got the wasabi in there. I want to add in the salt. Just kind of pop the flavors out a bit. The pepper, well, we could add it in here or sprinkle it across the roast beef afterwards. I'm going to do that. What I'm going to do now, you just use something small to basically cream the wasabi into the sour cream. I think I called that cream cheese before. Sour cream. Okay, let's get that straight. Sour cream. I'm used to using cream cheese in some of my cooking. So this time we got sour cream here. Which kind of adds a bit of a tang. And then you've got the wasabi in there. Very nice. All right, so that is basically all mixed together. This is really simple to make. Now, I'm going to bring this guy back because we can use him for, it's great for spreading on the bread. All right, what I want to do now is basically, let's have a look at that. Now I probably got some of my mustache. All right, I'm going to take it and I want to spread this all across both halves of the baguette quite liberally. All right, so now we've got that all across there. That's looking really good. Now, I'm going to take the roast beef and just pile that on all across this bottom piece here. All right, beautiful. Then, the red bell peppers, just kind of place the strips all across. I try to angle them just a little bit so they're not, they're not going to fall out of the side of the sandwich. These are going to add a nice little crunch when you're eating this sandwich. All right, usually what I do is I just put on as much as I can get to stay there. Anything that's left over goes into a salad tonight, so that's always good. Let's see, we'll get a couple pieces in there. Maybe another piece right there. I don't want to push it too far because I'm going hiking and I don't want this dropping out. All right, so there we go. Now, the cheese. And this, I just kind of lay it a little bit of an angle across, like that. And with what I've got left, I just go a little bit in the other direction. Hold that all together. Of course, you got the glue here to hold this all together. And now, pop that into place. Press that down. Oh, that's going to be a fantastic sandwich for my hike. All right, if you like this recipe, stick around. There's a lot more original Kevin Riley Kuma's Kitchen recipes right here on the YouTube channel. And be sure to subscribe because there's a new one coming out every Monday. Hey, if you're not yet a patron of Kuma's Kitchen, well, just think about becoming one, because for as little as $3 a month, you can be supporting the creation of all these recipe videos, but also you get all the cool stuff that the patrons get in the Patreon feed. Now, go make this delicious sandwich and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.